This one is called a rocking chair, and basically just picturing what it is, a rocking chair. So with your right foot, you're going to rock forward, you recover on your left, step back on the right, rock back, recover. So you do that again, you rock forward, recover, step back, rock, recover. Forward rock, back rock. With a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to turn around and go ahead and do it with your right foot. You're also going to do a rocking chair with your left. For the purpose of the video, we're just going to do it with the right. Starting with your right foot, you're going to rock forward, rock back, back, forward, rock forward, back, back, forward. With a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you for watching.